tētai au tākia to kōrero e tāngā an tātou I te kāinga. Ko papa koe, ko papa koutou, te aka mata nei tātou. Good morning, class. Today, we are going to learn how to have a short conversation at home in Cook Islands Māori language. Are you ready? Let's start. Aere mai ki te kāinga means welcome home. You reply, me taki maata, which means thank you. E a taau I kona means what do you have? You reply, e no'o anga tāku, which means I have a chair. E a tāau e kitera means what do you see? You reply, te kite nei au I te kaingākai, which means I can see a table. Te ea to o urnio means where is your toothbrush? You reply, te kona, which means it is there. E roi roi koe means are you tired? You reply, ai, e roi roi au, which means yes, I am tired. Tamo mai rā I te au tākia to kōrero. Ka ara vei tātou a popo. See you all again tomorrow.